I'm sitting here on a beautiful Sunday morning in Medellin, chilled, no work today, but I thought, you know what, let me just record a video for anyone who is doing any kind of traditional sales, whether you're selling cars or you're in recruitment or door to door, whatever it is, and you're looking to find a way where you can travel, where you can work while you're traveling. This video is for you. Why should you listen to me? My name's Joel Elstar, and I've been doing remote sales since 2017. Right now, between 2017 to 2021, I did about $23 million as a remote closer. And then from 2021, I started a recruitment agency to help people like yourself. We also launched sales academies, we launched done a few sales agencies, and so much. But this video is for you. If you are a traditional sales guy or woman and you're looking to take that step, you're looking to find remote jobs, what I want you to do is the following. Jump into our community. We're just about to launch a community where it's super cheap. It's only $97 a month. You also get like a week free trial. But I want you to jump in so you can see the opportunities. Me, Joel Elstar, I've been to 52 countries as a remote closer. I've got another 7 new countries I'm visiting this year alone. And we've helped just over 2,000 closers get placed in the past couple of years. We've worked with over 500 businesses, trained over 3,000 closers in the English and Spanish market. So again, whether you are a new closer and you're looking for how to start in the industry, join the community. If you're a seasoned closer and you're just looking for the best opportunities, the best thing to do is get in front of recruiters' eyes. Like, how do I know where you are if I can't find you? So yes, we want to headhunt you, jump into the community, show us what you're made of, and let's get you an incredible offer. We've got a client at the moment. They need another 8 closers and 18 setters this month. The average closer there makes 22 grand. Top closers there make 30 to 50 grand a month. So if that is you, again, let me help you, help me help you get placed. If you're a setter and you want to now go and start becoming a closer, this is also for you. If you're a setter and you just want to stay as a setter, we're looking for incredible setters as well. What is going to be in the community? Super easy. It's how to stand out, how to prepare for interviews, how to find roles, how to use job boards, how to get better at being a setter, being a closer, how to make money as a closer, but utilizing your own network to make even more money. Now, let me touch base on that. How did I make all that money as a closer? Was it just because I sat there and just waited for inbound leads to come in? No. What I did, I understood the difference between your network, which is your phone book, and networking your network. So that's something we'll talk about in the community as well, is how can you use your network to make even more money, how to use the place of work, right? So you can actually gain the contacts and start networking your network. We're also going to be bringing in guest speakers, other sales coaches. What else? Health and peptides. Like, there's so much that we're going to be bringing in. You're going to be finding one live call every single week with a specialist in their area of expertise. Anyway, so again, if you're listening to this and you know people that are doing traditional sales and want to just jump online and start traveling the world, closing deals, or maybe they just want to, work from home. They have a new family and they don't want to be away from the family, but they just want to be closing deals at home. Show them this video. In the description, I'm going to have a link to the community. There's going to be a 7-day free trial in there. Let me know once you're in, and then I'll give you access. And we're going to be having live Q&As. We're going to have role plays, sales training. We're going to have so much in there. But again, Joel Elstar, I've given myself a challenge. I'm doing a 5-month challenge that started 2 weeks ago. My goal is to get 1,000 people into the community in the next 5 months. So yeah, it's been 2 weeks. How many people have I got in? 42 people at the moment that are paying. So there's 398 people in the community, all going through the trials. So let's see how many convert. Anyway, jump in. Like I said, it's a 7-day free trial. If you don't like it, you can bounce. But if you do know people or you truly want to take that next step, get placed, make more money, find better offers, Jump in, and I'll see you soon. Ciao for now.